Hello, you're welcome to this video. Today we want to see how to set up regular ads. On your dashboard, go to Classiera options, click on Ads Manager, and we go to regular ads. Let's see how to set up everything under regular ads. Now, to enable regular ads on your site, that is free ads, you need to turn this option on. What do I mean by regular ads? Now here is a user, for example. The user here has regular ads because it's been enabled here. So regular ad is same as free ad posting. Now in case a regular ad decide to post an ad, how many days or how long does it stay on the site before it moves into the trash? When I say trash, this is what I mean. I open our posts. If I decide to trash this post, I'm going to click on trash here, and a new location will be created along this path, and this is it. This is a trashed post. A trash post is not available on the site. When I select 5 months as the expiry date, whenever a user posts a free ad, after 5 months, that ad will be sent to the trash place and to no longer be available on that site. This one says how many images for regular ads. If I put 2 here, it simply means a free user can only add 2 images when submitting an ad. I move on here, regular ad post limit. Should I put a limit to free ad posting? If I want to put a limit, I simply click on this. If I don't want any limit, I put it to off. What it means is that a free user can post unlimited ads, but I don't want that. So when I turn this option on, and I come down to this place and say I'll put a number like 10, it simply means a free user can only post 10 ads on one account. When I mean one account, a user can have multiple accounts on this site. In the sense that you use one email to create one account. So if a user decides to have 5 email addresses and use the 5 email addresses to open different accounts, at the end of the day, the user will now be able to post 50 free ads because the user has 5 accounts. A user on one email account can only post 10 ads if I turn this option on. So these are the settings that are associated with regular or free ad posting. Now that I have saved this option, and I have 5 months, it means that after 5 months, the free ads will now expire. Now, if I pretend like I want to post a new ad and go to this place, regular ads, it stays for 150 days before it expires. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.